to just doing it for fun? It's a good question, Leah. So when I started trading, I was actually working, well, I was in school. So I dropped out of school. That was the first thing I did. Um, Second thing I did was I was working as a DJ. My job originally was doing bar mitzvahs and weddings on the weekend. And I had been doing that since I was 16. I'm an entrepreneur at heart. So like I grew that into a small business. That small business was then kind of absorbed by a bigger DJ business. And then I worked for them and I did 4 or 3 parties every weekend. And I was making good money doing that. Like I liked it because when I was in college, before I was making a lot of money from trading, I would work one day, I'd make $700 doing a party, and my friends would work all week and they were making 300. So I liked the way I was set up and I was saving a lot of that money to invest in trading. And I never invested in stocks at that point. I was just building up money to trade Forex with because I, at that point, already knew I liked Forex for its technical aspect and it didn't have any fundamental rumors or news that I had to pay attention to. I didn't want to work so hard DJing, building that business, and then throw the money into a stock just to have the CEO of the stock say something and then the stock tanks. I didn't like that. I wanted control. I'm kind of like a type A control freak in a way. So I wanted to be able to control my money. So when I started trading, I was still doing sales for the DJ company and I was still working on the weekends. And then even as I started making money trading, I kept working on the weekends. I even kept working on the weekends when Riley and I moved in together and I was working for a prop firm during the week. So I was trading live in a live room with a prop firm that you could go look up. They still exist. They deleted all the 350 videos that I made with them, which is fine, but not really. But I was working for them during the week, trading my own money, getting paid by them to run the live room and sell my courses there, and I was still DJing on the weekends. I'm a big believer in multiple streams of income. So as you get into it, you have to really assess yourself and see where your passion lies. If you're super passionate about trading, you can get funded now with these funding companies and you can make it a full-time business easier than I could have. Because when I got started, the funding company thing wasn't as popular and legitimate as it is now. I had to raise my own money and save my own money to grow my trading account. So now there's just a lot of different opportunities. But I think multiple streams of income is the answer. Being able to say, oh, I don't need to trade today because I know I'm making money elsewhere. Whether it's real estate or you're selling a course or you're doing coaching or consulting. There's so many other things that you as a human being can do. You just got to know your passion. And this is what we're going to talk about at the retreat in December. So for those of you that don't know, I'm hosting this retreat in Orlando at a huge house. I'll show you the house right now. In Orlando in December. The retreat is going to be amazing. Chris is going to be there. A couple of guys in the chat. Rowan is going to be there. Bridget's going to be there. If you're going to be there, say something in the chat right now. This is the house we're staying at. Movie room, beautiful pool. We're going to be doing coaching sessions about trading, but we're also going to be doing coaching sessions about building your online business because I think being able to diversify as we grow in this digital age is huge. And diversify doesn't just mean, oh, I trade stocks and I trade Forex. It means I have passions that I can build businesses around and create other streams of revenue for me. That's what me and Riley have done, and that's what we're going to share with everybody at the retreat. So if you're interested, Leah or anybody else, I still got, I think, 3 bedrooms left. So let me know. Bring your boyfriend, bring your girlfriend, bring your business partner. You guys can share the room and split the cost. Food's included. Everything's included. It's 4 days. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, let me know if you want to be there. Okay, so now let's talk about this. You just had a candle close. If you're here, if you know ASFX, after a candle